So now I have a very simple question for you. So through this question, I want to tell you exactly what is the difference between topper, average and below average students. I will tell you exactly what mistake average and below average students will make in this question, and I will tell you exactly what topper will do well in this equation. So please take 3 minutes to attempt this question, and after 3 minutes you need to tell me either the answer or you need to tell me the approach that you will take to solve this question. Approach means the steps. What will be the first step that you will take? What is the second step that you will take? The third step, the fourth step, the fifth step, the sixth step. So either tell me the approach in the chat or tell me the right answer. So from a tower of height h, a particle is thrown vertically upwards. So it is thrown from a tower of height h to vertically upwards. So it reaches the highest point, and from that highest point it starts coming down. So the time taken by the particle to reach the highest point is say let's say it's time t. So to reach from the tower to the highest point, let's say the time is t, and the overall time it takes to go to the highest point and come down is select capital T. So it is given that the capital T is n times small t. Third option is incorrect, Rohan. Third option is incorrect. So time is done. Let me tell you. So basically the answer is option 1. 2gh is equal to nu square n minus t. The way to do is that first create a diagram. Most average, below average students don't create a diagram for this question. So first create a tower of height h and then show that the ball is first going up, it will go to the maximum height and then it will come down. So a lot of students will not create a diagram. So if you don't create a diagram, it will be difficult for you to find the time to reach the maximum height. So it is starting at initial speed u in the upper direction. The final speed at the highest point would be 0. So v is equal to u plus at, u is 0, and acceleration is minus g. So u minus gt is equal to t1. So t1 is the time to reach the maximum height from the tower. Now we need to calculate time t2, time taken to hit the ground. So total it is traveling minus h. So overall the displacement from this point to the ground is minus h, and initial speed is u in the positive direction. Time here is t2 minus half gt square. Now it's given that t2 is equal to nt1. That means minus h is equal to u into nu upon g minus half g n square u square upon g square. So we get this response. So most people will not create a diagram. Most people will not know how to calculate this maximum height. Most people will not know how to find time to reach to the ground. And in the end, they may make mistake in the calculations. So at 4 levels, this question is going to go wrong. If you're not creating a diagram, if you don't know how to calculate T1, if you don't know how to calculate T2, or if you make a mistake in calculations, either you lose the attention or you lose your focus.